Hello, Rahul.
Hello, Riti.
So, I wanted to ask you about a topic which is technology making us less human? What thoughts do you have on it?
So, Riti, I have a very balanced thought about it because, on the other hand, as we know, that technology is helping us a lot with kind of information it provides us, the kind of things it gives us, helps us in IT sector or any corporate world. What happens is in our day-to-day activity when we are using technology, when we are using any kinds of AI tools or other things, what happens is it makes our life much more easier. But when it comes to coordinating with people or like you and me are talking right now, what happens is we are standing in front, like we are standing here physically in front each other,
Yeah.
and we are able to express our thoughts more easily. I can see your expressions, you can see mine. So we are much more into the talk. But
Yeah.
what happens is when we are online, like we are using any kinds of technology, like we are on a normal text, you're texting each other,
Okay.
or like we are using some kinds of other technology to connect. So we are not able to connect with each other that easily. So that is the main problem. What happens when we are using technology. So I have a mixed, opinion about technology is helping us or it is making us less human.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I have another question for you. What do you think? Is social media networks creating more meaningful connections or more numerous but like superficial relationships?
See, if like we are within a city or within a society and we are connecting with each other, like you and me are living in a society and having a talk.
Yeah.
I personally believe that having a physical meet with each other, having like sitting near a table and having a cup of tea and talking to each other, that would be helping us much more in a much more better manner because we can express our thoughts, we can know each other much more better. But when it comes to social media, that can help us if you are in some other city or some in other country, then it can make our talks much more easy
Yeah.
through video calls and other things.
Okay.
But what happens when we are into a place where we can meet each other? So when we are meeting each other, that basically the vibe after meeting a person, any person in person, is much more different
Yeah.
than having a talk online or text,
Yeah, I agree.
because that doesn't involve that much of emotions.
I get that. I have another question for you. Does technology truly create new human problems or does it merely amplify the existing ones?
It depends like how we are using the technology in our day-to-day activities.
Okay.
Like when we are when we are into a corporate world, technology basically helps us a lot because it is a vast knowledge which we can dive in and we can get whatever we want. Like just within a second, if you're googling something, some
Yeah.
kinds of question or some kind of doubt, you'll get the answer like in a rapid go.
Okay.
Without technology, that would be much more hard for us to find any kinds of answer.
Yeah, yeah. That's right.
And on the other hand, if I look onto technology, basically what happens is in our day-to-day activity, we can see like people are not getting that much of interactions because of internet and
Yeah,
social
person
media.
to person.
Person to person. What happens in Instagram also, like social media, different social media apps like Instagram and
Yeah.
all. People are showcasing their lifestyle, the luxurious lifestyles and all other aspects of their life. People are showcasing there, which actually does not exist only. But
Correct.
what happens is like if we people, like you and me, like I personally, what happens is like sometimes I don't get it means out of my mind also. Sometimes I'm just scrolling down.
Doom scrolling, we call
scrolling,
it.
Yeah. What happens is when I'm just scrolling without mindless scrolling, what happens is like out of my mind also I just get into the things and I get into the things like comparing my life with them.
Yeah. Human nature.
Yeah, human nature. So what happens is in that particular time, I also just sit and think that is my life enough?
Yeah.
Am I doing good enough? So that are the case what happens when we are using internet or
Agreed,
technology. So technology, using it in the right way as a weapon could be helpful for any individual XYZ. But if you are getting consumed by technology, internet or any other things, AI and everything, that can destroy your life. So that would be the thought of, or like these are the thoughts on this topic on me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rahul.
Yeah. Thank you, Nitin, so much.